you will see how to create your own text to video LLM. So we'll switch to the Python environment. So over here, you just need 4 files. One is to create a video set, datasets, which is a sample datasets. Here we are creating around 1000 samples, which frames of 25 and all. So this will create a video sample video datasets which will be used for train our model. Okay. Then this mini GPT code or file, Python code, is required to just to extend the pre-trained class of Hugging Face library. And over here there are two classes. One is for config, updating the config over here, or overriding in a way you can say, and the other one is to define the mini GPT model. That's all. Then third file is important, which is like training this GPT model whatever we have created here. And over here we first, of course, we clear GPUs and all, load tokenizer, then loaded data sets and all from the pickle file, and then we just custom create data sets and we train it one by one. Okay, after inside the model we train and training arguments, we train it custom data. Okay, and based on that the output model gets generated, and then at the end we use this train model to generate a sample video to test it. So let's go step by step. Let's first run this create video datasets.python in the, okay, so it was pretty quick. So it created a Python it created a sample dataset, so which I can use to train my code. So let's see. Yeah, so it may take a while, this method, depending upon your resource, GPU and CPUs and all. So here I'm enforcing it to use my GPUs. I have two GPUs. One is NVIDIA G4 GTX, which has around 4 GB RAM or virtual RAM, VRAM, whatever you can say, and the other one is the inbuilt GPU. Okay, so hopefully it will be using both. Let's see. Once the training starts over here, it may take a while, but once the training starts, it will most likely consume both my GPUs and in fact of course CPU also. So let's wait. So in the meantime, let me go to this code, and if I scroll on the top over here somewhere, it will be suggesting to use the device. Yeah, so this line of the code is responsible, like if CUDA is available, then use CUDA, otherwise CPU. CUDA is basically nothing but it will refer to the GPU part. Okay, so it's now starting, and I think I'll pause this video because I don't want to consume much. But if you can see, it has started using at least a inbuilt GPUs already, and even over here you will see this should shoot up shortly. Yeah, see, it is now shooting up to 0.5 GB consumption, and based on the requirement it may shoot up even further. So this memory is being used over here. Okay, so I'll just pause it for now. Then it will take a bit of while to complete it. So its nearing completion is around 80%. I just wanted to show you the usage of the GPU memory is almost 4 GB. So that's why all this configuration I have defined based on my resource of my laptop, which is 4 GB. So accordingly you may have to tune it. You may have to decrease the steps and all to do it accordingly. Okay, so it's completed now. So if everything is not decreasing, even CPU usage and all, so you'll see that. Now once that is done, we can just use this generated video to generate a sample video file. Okay, so Python was not correctly typed. Python, yeah. So now it may take again, it won't take much time. It's very quick, but it generate a file as file generated video .gif. So if I go here, so this is that video file. Of course, just random and all, but if you can notice here, I don't know, it was moving a bit. So let me reopen it again. Yeah, it's moving a bit and all. Okay, so of course it's a very small model, 128 tokens, so it's pretty small for good video generation. And since given the limited resource I have in my laptop, but that's more or less the foundation what you can do over here. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions, then please put in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.